24/7 teachers training. Our lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Numbers 41 to 50. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the concept of numbers from 41 to 50. Say Assalamu Alaikum and good morning to children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Learning should be fun and understanding of number game should be strong. Learning objectives. Students should be able to read, write and represent numbers from 41 to 50. Count a set of objects from 41 to 50. Generate a set equal to a number from 41 to 50. Compose numbers from 41 to 50. Tell the children that they will be counting and writing numbers 41 to 50. Repeat the numbers from 0 to 40 and recall that all numbers are the combination of basic numbers starting from 0 and ending at 9. Also, tell the children that numbers change because we only change the tens position and unit positions. Relying on the understanding of the place value, we are approaching counting past 40 from two different angles. First, students count objects grouped into tens and leftover ones to determine the quantity. Hold up 4 bundles of tens and 1 matchstick and ask, how many tens in units do we have? Repeat that 4 tens and 1 unit means 41. Write the number 41 on the writing board. In the same way, introduce the numbers 42 to 50. When you reach number 50, make another bundle and tell 5 tens means 50. Next, they use manipulatives to represent a given quantity in tens and ones. Use wooden or plastic blocks to make 3 towers of 10 each and then the remaining as units. Play a game with the children. Draw a letter pattern on the floor and write on it numbers from 1 to 40. Instruct the children to roll on a dice and jump on the number. Make sure that the starting point is 1. Play a game with the children. Tell them, now we are going to count by tens, but when I clap my hands, I want you to start counting by ones. Let me give you an example. 10, 20, 30, 40. Clap hands. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Now it's your turn. Start at 10 and count forward by tens. But when I clap my hands, stop and count by ones. 10, 20, 30, 40. Clap hands. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Stop. Record the answers on the writing board. Start at 10 and count forward by tens. But when I clap my hands, stop and count by ones. 10, 20. Clap hands. 21, 22, 23. Stop. Ask the children to write from 41 to 50 in the air. Make them learn numbers in words. Ask them to open their textbooks and circle the correct numbers. Reinforcement worksheet of numbers 41 to 50 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.